we're gonna get to work today, ¿verdad, mijo? Awesome. Welcome back to the channel. Today, got my little one here for a little bit. And then we have Richard from Backyard C10, that's his YouTube. Him and his wife Blanca are here to help us out a little bit. They were out last night getting some parts for the truck, junkyard parts. They didn't get home till almost 1 in the morning, so I really appreciate them guys doing that. They're working hard over there. Him and his wife Blanca, that's over here. And now they're here bringing them to us. So we're gonna do a little work today. We're gonna see if our goal is to get the truck running.
Yes, yep.
If we can, right? That's our goal first.
That's our goal, yes sir.
So we'll see what all we can do today. So we're gonna try something to begin with, because last time we just messed with it a couple of days ago just to see if it would start and it wouldn't. And when my buddy would wiggle the connection, the hot 12-volt wire that goes into the cap that connects to the coil, it would want to stay on. It'd kind of kick on and off for a little bit. So he bought a new connector. We're gonna try that first. We're just gonna put the new one on, put it on there and see if it starts. If it starts, great, that's all it was. If it doesn't, then we're gonna go on to some other things. I bought a new cap because the new cap it had on here was broken. And then I went ahead and brought a new coil just in case, but we're gonna try this first, see how that goes. All right, so that wire is already replaced. We're gonna see how it does. We're gonna see if it starts. Ready? All right, so here we go. Fuel's already up, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, guys, so it didn't start, so that didn't fix it. We're gonna go on and see what we can do. We got a couple more things we're gonna change out and test it out. We're actually gonna do one thing at a time because I really wanna know what's causing this, what's going on, because we have spark and then we don't. It kinda, something's on and off. My buddy Richard is the one getting to work over here, but here in a little bit, I'm gonna help him. We're gonna do coil next. Oh yeah, and then we got Mijo here watching and Blanca. Is it gonna work? See? All right. Mijo says it's gonna work, so it's gonna work. All right, so the coil's replaced. We're gonna try that. Let's see what that does. Nope. Okay, that didn't work either. We're gonna check if we got spark now and then go from there. These take a little while to move, huh? So if you just, can you see it? No quiero. There it is. So we're on right there. And this is on all the way too, huh? Right there. There we go. Más poquito. Yeah. I overdid it last time. All right, guys, so we're gonna try it again. So we found a wire that was loose. That got corrected. We're gonna see if it works, right, mijo? Let's see. Ready, Richard?
Yep. Otra vez.
No, so we'll keep looking. All right, so we checked the spark, right, Richard?
Check the spark.
And we got like one spark and then it stopped. So it was wanting to start, it wouldn't start. So what we did, we went and got a ignition module. We slapped it on there. That's what I did the first time and it worked. But we're gonna see It looks like we got spark now. Let's see if it starts.
Yep. There it is. There it is.
Will it run?
Okay, so it's on. Okay.
Yep,
Hey,
it's a start.
it's a start. Let me start it. Ready?
All right, go ahead.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
So it's on. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit and see if it responds with the carburetor, but we got spark now.
Yeah, it is on. It is on now, so.
Oh man, I'm excited. All right, so we got it. It's running. We put it in gear. It's on. Drive.
Yeah, there we go.
Has a little bit of like, but we'll check that maybe just in the carburetor.
Yep, yep.
Oh man, check it out. What do you think, Richard?
Running good,
Hey.
man. It's on its way. It's on its way.
It's on its way. Hey,
How long did it
goal number one was to get it running. Brake light works.
Yep, brake lights work.
Brake light. We got brake lights.
Yeah.
Now the brakes are really hard after the fire, so we'll have to probably bleed them and check into it. But right now, we're just worried about it starting and running.
Yep, and it's running.
Heck yeah. What do you guys think?
That's amazing, brother.
It's running,
That's
huh?
awesome, bro.
She's perfect.
Oh man,
She's
goal
good,
number
bro.
one. We just took it right now.
Look at that.
Well, it's kind of getting dark on us, but we pulled it out. It's running, staying on. Check it out. And so we're putting this rubber molding now, which is from a junkyard, and it looks brand new because Richard's wife Blanca cleaned it up for us. Look at how good she did. Looks like we're installing brand new rubber, but it's not. It's kind of getting dark already, but we're gonna try to put this on. We're gonna see if we can slap on a door or so and try to get it kind of complete in case I gotta leave it outside, because this is not my shop. It'll be good if it rains like it rained earlier today, but we're gonna get on it a little bit longer. All right, it's getting a little bit dark here. We're still working. We got a door on. It's just kind of held on with some bolts. So I wanted to show what it looks like. Not very pretty, but hey, it's a start. All right, guys, so it's about midnight already. We worked quite a bit of hours. And Richard here, my buddy from Backyard C10 on his YouTube channel, him and his wife Blanca came from Brownfield, Texas to come help me out today, which is appreciated very, very much. Before we head out, I want to give a shout out to Steve Beard from Mississippi. He watched my last video and he commented that he had a cluster for this truck out of his in good condition if we wanted. I said, yeah. So he shipped it to me. I asked him how much the shipping was so I could pay for that. He said no. He completely gifted it to the channel. Steve, thank you so much, all the way to Mississippi, from Mississippi. Thank you very much, because that's gonna save us some money. Look at this cluster. Look at that, looks good. And he sent us the wiring harness also for the doors, you know, all the power stuff, which we have them, but we got a backup if something happens or we need it, we got it. And Richard, man, I appreciate it. How was today? You tired?
Tired, but guess what? We got it running. It runs on its own. Man, it's ready to go. It is ready to go. We did some of the work. Most important part was to get it running, and then at least get some doors on there so my buddy here doesn't fall out when he's trying to take it for a test ride or anything right here. But man, it's looking really great.
So we're gonna show you what we did today. So now it's got a door. It's not a matching door, but we just wanted to shut it, make sure it's closed, so if it rains and we have to leave it outside, it's good. So we got a door, we got a hood put on, we got a bumper, guys. Look at that. We got a bumper now, starting to look like a truck again. We put the other door. Now this is one of the only door left, I guess, that they didn't take over there. So we put that one back on. And the interior, oh, let me go to the side, because that latch still doesn't work. We got to go into this side for now. But the interior, Blanca here, Richard's wife, cleaned it for us a little bit. Look, looks better. Took off some of the tint. Can kind of see outside now. Here's some of our extra stuff, the bezel and stuff that my buddy Richard and his wife found. So this, of course, is not gonna match. This is just temporary, so we can take it outside. And it didn't have a tailgate, but on the last video, we had already put it on, so they also brought the latches. So it's looking good. Man, tired? Appreciate you guys so much, man. They still got an hour drive home, and it's already midnight. It's midnight. So these guys are tired, I'm tired, and he did all the work. I don't know why I'm tired about it. We did a good job. It's running, guys, on its own. We just pulled it out, pulled it back in, and here in a little bit, we're gonna drive it. I wanna drive it home so we can give my buddy his shop space back. So
Thank you.
if it does, on the next video, I'll let you know if it doesn't make it home, but it should.
Yeah, it should. Yeah, it should.
So we're gonna take it home. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Thanks to Backyard C10. If you guys haven't checked him out, he just started his channel. So go support, show some love. These guys do amazing work, help other people out with their trucks. They're here helping me today. I appreciate that. They just want to see these old trucks back on the road. That's what it's all about.
Yep.
So appreciate it. And thank y'all so much. We'll see you guys on the next video. And hopefully we do start cleaning up and doing some cool stuff so the truck starts looking even better. Thank you. See ya.
Later.